Did you know animators literally damaged their hearing to make Demon Slayer's sound effects authentic? When Ufotable began working on Tengen Uzui's sound breathing techniques, they went beyond normal research. The studio consulted actual ninja historians and sound weapon experts to understand how his blades would really sound. They started experimenting with high-frequency sound waves in their recording booth. 3 sound engineers were hospitalized after testing ultrasonic blade resonance effects. The frequencies were so intense they caused temporary hearing damage. But this wasn't the end. During the final recording session, the lead audio engineer collapsed. His eardrums couldn't handle the destructive sound frequencies that matched Tengen's attacks. This real trauma became the foundation for every sound-breathing sequence. The overwhelming audio you hear isn't just animation. It's the result of actual hearing damage, pure dedication to authenticity.